Hello everyone, this is Wade from All or Nothing Travels. Today I am at Parola Orchids Beach Resort. I'm going to give you a tour of the resort and show you how to get out of here. Here's a little view of what it looks like from the balcony. I'll show you the room. This is what the room looks like. Very nice. But this isn't really why you come here. And the bathroom, this is what the bathroom looks like. Not really fancy. But again, this isn't why you come here. And I will show you downstairs when I get there. And here we are at the front gate of La Parola Orchids Beach Resort. That's what the front gate looks like. The front of the hotel. If you want to get to the beach, you would go over there through the trees over there. There's a beach and the ocean. Very nice hotel, landscaping. But the reason you would come here would be for the paradise you're about to see. Little dinner area. We ate here a few times. The food was really good. The staff here was really amazing. This is the pool area, which is the best part. They usually have a waterfall coming down right here. Very beautiful. A little bar area.
As I said, NTSB officials are still processing the crash.
The staff here was really nice. They made the stay amazing. Again, if you're looking for a place to get away from tourists and have a nice quiet escape, a little paradise in the middle of nowhere, this is the place to come see. They have a waterfalls close. They have an island that's said to be better than Boracay. So if you wanted to get away from here for a day or two, you could. And now we will show you how to leave here. It's not the easiest thing to get back to where tourists are at, so we will show you that now. we are on the way to catch the bus. You can see where we're at. We're like, it's like in a small little village, kind of. Very beautiful. Just an idea of the beauty that is all around here. Hello. Here we are at the end of the road of the Parola Beach Resort. They tell us if we wait here 15-30 minutes, a bus will come down that road and pick us up and take us to the city. So here we are waiting here with our luggage in a little porch looking area. We will see how long the wait is. We're about 20 minutes in. Starting to think a couple bottles of water would have been a great idea right at this point. Getting really thirsty, and we're not seeing nothing on the horizon. Nothing. So here we are. We finally made it on a bus about 45 minutes later for 338 peso. We're making it back to the Ilo. And this will conclude the vlog. See you on the next one. All along, I feel like you need your space. Prisoner in your own home that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe.